Ng may kapal, tugong sa aking dasal upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa bawat sandalian upang muli ay ang mahalin ay
The Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera. Teka, ano ba ibig sabihin ng kantang Ikaw sa Tagalog?
you.
I know, but I mean, yung ano, alam ko naman ikaw
Or-
means you.
Not an ox, but a cow. Could be one of those things.
Hindi nga, yung parang one line lang. The whole story ng ikaw.
In English?
Yeah.
Gary can tell you, but it's like, it's you are my life and my perspiration.
Oh, that's so cool!
Okay.
Oy, pero syempre naman, hindi lang kantang gagawin natin. Since talk show to, syempre magkukwentuhan din tayo. But now, we're gonna see Martin Rivera in the eyes of Gary V. Ay?
Yes, ako tama ka. Pero grabe, bago ko simulan to, alam mo, isa si Martin na talagang pag kumakanta, parang hinuhuka yung puso mo na sa katawan mo, diba? Parang, wow.
Sweet, thank
And
you.
sabi ko naman, si Mr. Gary V naman, kung kumanta, tsaka sumayaw, grabe, live siya lang gumagawa no, kasi si Madonna hindi ginagawa
That's
yun.
right.
Yung ganong ka-energy, pero totoo, live niya ginagawa. Pero eto na, tama kayo.
Okay.
Kasi ngayon, nandito si Mr. Gary V at meron siyang sketchpad at ipapadrawing namin sa kanya kung ano ba sa mata niya ang opinion niya about Gary, ay about
Martin.
Be
And
nice,
ito
be
yung mga
nice.
following points.
Kinakabahan ako.
Bakit?
Kasi ako marunong ako mag-drawing, pero si Martin hindi marunong mag-drawing eh.
Hindi.
Kaya kung mag-drawing siya, siguradong
Ang pangit.
Sige,
Hindi.
okay lang. Okay lang.
So,
no
eto,
problem.
ipapakita sa atin ni Mr. Gary V, the one physical feature ni Martin sa mukha or katawan na gusto mo na meron ka rin.
Sabi ni Martin,
Wow.
Be nice, Gary, ah.
Sige, sige.
Be nice.
Kung wala,
De-
meron pang isang point. The one woman na pinakamamahal ni Martin
Uy.
and the one thing that Martin cannot live without.
Ngayon na? Umpisa ko na? Umpisa ko
Yung
na?
tatlong
Go.
points na yan.
Make it nice.
Alright. Ito, bahala na ha.
He
Bahala
wants
na.
my eyes. No, he wants my
Ay, sige,
nose.
tingnan natin.
He wants my finger.
Why your finger?
I don't know. I don't want to say body. His body's nice already. So. I want his butt.
nag-gym ka ba?
Come on,
okay.
J-I-M.
Teka ha.
And the
Hirap to eh.
one woman na pinakamamahal ni Martin.
Sino bang
Wow.
pinakamamahal ni Martin?
Di, nanay mo.
Well,
Parang
mamaya
kayo.
malalaman natin.
Parang hindi rin sila believe sino yung babaeng pinakamamahal mo.
Oo.
My mother.
Your mother.
That's just a hint.
Talaga?
Oo naman.
Ay, please, ha?
Okay, then what's the last one?
The one that Martin cannot live without.
The one,
The one thing or
the
one
one
person?
thing that Martin cannot
One
live
thing
without.
that Martin cannot live without.
Without Gary.
Oh!
Kami bagong love team eh.
Talaga?
Kala-
Kayo na ba ngayon?
Kala nyo
Yan ang
kayo
parang
yan,
uso
ah.
ngayon, di ba? Boys and boys.
Dati kayong dalawa ni Ay. Ang bagong love team. Pero kami ni Gary
Team
ngayon.
lang.
Okay,
Wholesome.
I'm done. Tapos na.
Finish? He's
Okay.
good.
Fast, no?
finish.
I mean,
You draw so well.
no, I don't. Interpretative lang to. Kayo na bahala mag
Yes.
So,
ano,
okay, the first one.
Think
the
of
one
Picasso.
physical picture ni Martin.
Okay,
na gusto mo, meron
one
ka
by
rin.
one, I'll show it one by
Okay.
one. First one
Wala.
is that. If you look at the album, ito explain pa. Look at the eyes of Martin.
Oh, the eyes.
Yung expressiveness ba ng mata,
Ng
parang
mata niya.
bad boy, bagay na bagay talaga.
Wow. Expressive ba yung eyes mo?
Naman!
Naman! And ano pa? Yung
Okay,
isa,
yung isa,
one woman na pinakamamahal ni Martin.
hindi ko ma-drawing yung mukha niya, pero at least yung pangalan niya, medyo
Okay.
parang ano,
Oh.
soda.
Oh!
Soda pop.
Patingin!
Soda Pops.
Soda Pops! Oh, how cute!
Ang
Yes.
taas nung how
Yun lang.
cute.
It's
Kasi
true,
tinanong
very good.
kung sino talaga
Soda
ang ano.
That must have
I've
been really
known-
hard to think about. That must have been so hard.
Hindi naman. Kasi parang, di ba, after all the years,
Yes.
nakikita ko siya, tapos gano'n. Yun.
At saka nanay siya ng mga anak mo.
Wait, true love mo
Tama.
ba talaga si Pops?
Yan na.
True love. Yes, it's
First
true.
love, true love, forever love.
Yes,
Which
it's
one?
true. She is a love. Ah.
First love, true love, or forever love?
She's forever love.
Wow.
Ah. That's the best kind. There's no
Bongga.
beginning, no middle, and no end.
O, next,
Lastly,
pinakalas.
what Martin cannot live without, I put two hearts. Because I put two hearts. It resembles Martin loving and Martin being loved.
Wow.
So he cannot live without love.
He's so poetic
Akala ko
pala.
naman, akala ko naman
Galing.
ibig sabihin nun,
Galing naman, Mr. Gary V.
Ay, akala ko naman ibig sabihin ng two hearts, sana'y dalawa ang
Puso ko.
Alam mo, tingin ko isa na lang puso ngayon ni Concert King.
Bakit?
Oh,
Isa na
basta,
lang.
feeling ko lang.
I was
Diba?
born with
because
one
of
heart.
because of the two hearts. Now he has three wonderful sons. I mean,
Yes.
it's great.
I
At
used my
nako,
heart.
eto mamaya, nako, pag-usapan ulit natin yan. Pero ngayon naman mga mommies dyan sa audience, 100% kapanatag na ba kayo? Ang lacto may busog sa essential nutrients, may tamang sangkap para sa tamang edad. At sa wakas, may lactum sulit pack na. May 20 grams free na abot kayang halaga, kaya sulit na maging 100% panatag. Lactum pack sa 100% nourishment. Kaya ngayon, mga mommies, ay meron tayong Pabuenas! From Lactum, go Pabuenas, go! At syempre pa, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan at kantahan. Susunod si Mr. Gary V at kikilalanin natin up close and personal sa mata naman ni Mr. Martin Rivera sa pagbabalik na
Rufa
and I.
And I...
Kala nyo lahat ng presyo patakas? Not with Easy Remit dahil ang service fee, $8.90 na lang for remittances up to $1,000. Mag-Easy Remit na! Call